If you're looking to update your Facebook password, maybe for security reasons or just to keep things fresh, the process is simple and only takes a minute. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your password on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your device and go to your profile section. At the top, next to your profile picture, tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down until you find the settings option and select it. From there, click on See More in Account Center, which is highlighted in blue. Next, scroll down and look for the Password and Security option. Tap on it, and then select Change Password. Now, choose the profile for which you want to update the password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and finally, hit the Save button. That's it. Your Facebook password is now successfully updated. And there you go. You've just learned how to change your password on Facebook. Make sure to pick a strong password that you can remember, and you'll keep your account safe and secure.